Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers from many areas of Amhara region where Tigray Defense Force took control, Tigray Defense Force has left those areas without any fighting, which includes important and historical city like Lalibela. And now several areas in the Amhara region that were under the control of Tigray Defense Force are now under the control of Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies. And there are many rumors circulating on social media about it. And a statement has been made by the Tigray Defense Force General in which he cleared all the things. Because Lieutenant General Tadise Verida Tesfaye, Commander-in-Chief of the Tigray Defense Force, sent a message to the people of Tigray. He said, "Honored sons and daughters of Tigray, we have been following the fact that you were being victims of great propaganda attacks of the enemy. And we all know that the Ethiopian government has been making use of all the lies of the world and everything possible, things which out and out not to be uttered, and has been and it is still carrying out propaganda attacks. We are in a war, and in a war, and we all know that there is no smooth road. This is not something which is new, especially to the people of Tigray. And it is known that in war there is pushing forward and being pushed back. During fighting, one can withdraw a little or advance forward greatly. What I would like to say with this as background is in the past few days we decided that we needed to make territorial adjustments and left some of the territories which we had reached and of our own occurred in order to minimize vulnerability. And this is one thing. This is not something we did because we were overpowered. And all the adjustments we made in all fronts and in all areas, we made voluntarily. And yet, you should keep in mind that the adjustments were also done within the pressures that take place during war. It is inevitable that war puts you in situation where you are pressured to readjust or advance forward to take other actions. And consequently, in accordance with the statement given by the military command, we have made some adjustments. When we made these adjustments, the enemy considered it as a huge victory. It started carrying out massive operations in various areas. And the operations which it undertook included local guards, militia, trained and untrained recruits, and it started to carry out offensive from all directions. And it has also been disseminating propaganda saying, "I captured them here and cut them there." But what is even more amazing is situations were observed when it tried to put all the Amhara farmers in danger by telling them, "And position yourselves on the neck, capture them, they have scattered." The other amazing thing is he even started saying surrender. And we are all seeing that he is still saying it. But I would like to state that the facts on the ground are different from this. Firstly, the territorial adjustment was voluntarily, and secondly, the adjustment was done while sorting out the enemy's attacks and operations. And we know that when we go one step back, we will go two steps forward tomorrow. And this is also not something new to the peoples of Tigray. Having said that, the noise and propaganda of the enemy. They are saying, we have entered through this, we have mobilized through that, would not remain for long. And I would like to assure you that we will reverse this in a short time, reach to our full capability and our full offensive and shorten the war. The reversing of the noise which has been prevailing up to now has also started. And I would also like to assure you that we will transition to big task in a few days, wherein we will score greater victories. And we are in a very reliable positions at this moment. The enemy's attempts which it had undertaken under presumption is in the process of being neutralized. And hence, the people of Tigray, be confident of your children, whatever the technology and however large the manpower of the enemy brings. Have confidence without doubt on your children, sisters, brothers, fathers, and in general on this army. And soon we will transition into a huge leap. I would like to assure you that the time when we will bring the war to conclusion is very close. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force video has been received showing hundreds of Tigray Defense Force soldiers. I will share this video with you now. In this video, Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen chanting slogans, and the excitement among the Tigray Defense Force is evident in this video. Now you watch the video. Thanks for watching.
Bandera ka, bandera.
bandera حولني وكل زرني سودي شريف ومعاري سودي أروح اللي حول سودي تعود سودي تحولناتي سودي سبرينيناتي